Hey guys, real quick, I want to direct you to a webpage that I put together for you with tips and tricks for this course. So you'll find a link to that in the resources attached to this lecture. And if it's easier for you, you can just type in the link below here to go over and head over there. You'll find there some ways to deal with low memory situations, all the things that can go wrong when you're running a Hadoop stack on your own desktop, of which there are many. So please read through that. It might not make a whole lot of sense right now, but as you go along, it's good to know what's in there and keep in the back of your head, here are some solutions to some problems that you might encounter as you go through the course. There's also a link there to a Facebook group that I created for this course as well. Feel free to join that. It's a no spam group, so it's really there for students to just collaborate and trade notes with each other. So totally optional. If you want to sign up for that, you can. And also you'll find some a little bit of a crash course on using the Linux command line. So if you're new to the world of Linux, there's going to be a lot of poking around on Linux commands and typing in Linux stuff on the terminal prompt. And there's a few key commands you need to understand first. So it's good to read through that page and understand what some of the main Linux commands are that we're going to use throughout this course. So check that out now, and I hope it's useful.